Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a marketing specialist here at EarthWay Products, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our 93005. We're doing the 21-inch blade today, but I'm going to tell you guys that the 93017 is also going to be the same assembly as this one. It's just a larger blade, but you have the same parts that are included in your package as you saw in our unboxing video, but the blades are just going to be different sizes. So today we're going to sit and go through this, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to take your shaft and put it in your blade here. Make sure that your holes line up. Now they're all lined up. Then you're going to want to take your D pen, which is also your quick release pen. You're going to want to put it in there. Make sure it goes all the way through. And then just clamp it here, like so. Then you're going to want to have a Phillips screwdriver handy. And you're going to take 2 screws that also come in your tool pack, and you're just going to want to screw them right on in. This just allows for more support, so then that way your blade doesn't come off while you're shoveling or getting rid of that snow. That's how you put together our 93005 and our 93017. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact our support at support@earthway.com and visit our website at earthway.com. Thanks, guys.